In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple accounts on eBay, especially geared for beginners. If you're looking to run separate buying and selling accounts, or perhaps manage business transactions distinctly from personal ones, this guide is designed just for you. First things first, if you're currently logged into an eBay account, you'll need to log out. It's important to make sure you're starting fresh, as eBay doesn't allow you to manage multiple accounts directly from a single login. By logging out, you give yourself a clean slate to work with and prevent any mix-ups between accounts. Now, once you're logged out, you'll want to move on to creating a new eBay account. To do this, visit the eBay homepage and look for the Register link, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking Register will take you to a new screen where you'll be prompted to enter your details. Keep in mind that eBay requires basic information like your name, email address, and a password. Make sure you choose strong, unique passwords to ensure the security of your accounts. One crucial aspect of setting up multiple accounts is the email address. For each eBay account you create, you'll need a separate email address. This separation helps in compartmentalizing your activities and ensures that communications, notifications, and alerts are distinct for each account. It also helps prevent confusion down the line when you're managing transactions and customer communications. Once you have your new account set up, you'll be free to use it just like your original one. Whether you're buying, selling, or just browsing, everything functions as it does on your first account. However, managing multiple accounts requires a bit of juggling, so learning to switch between them efficiently can save you time and frustration. When you're ready to switch accounts, log out of the current account just like in the beginning. Then, simply log into the other account using the respective email and password. If you're toggling frequently between accounts, you might find it handy to use different web browsers or browser profiles to keep things organized. Some users even prefer using different devices, if that's an option for them, which can help in managing the account seamlessly without constantly logging in and out. And there you have it, a straightforward method to manage multiple eBay accounts. Remember, having distinct accounts can help organize various aspects of your eBay activities. Keep your account details secure, be consistent in how you switch between them, and you'll find it easier to handle both business and personal interactions on eBay. Thanks for watching today's tutorial, and happy eBay managing.